Parla Benigno Bam Aguirre Aquino IV. Born May 7, 1977, is a Filipino politician and media personality who has served as a senator of the Philippines since 2025, a member of the Katipunan ng Nagkakaisang Pilipino KANP. He previously served as a senator from 2013 to 2019 and as Deputy Senate Minority Leader from 2017 to 2019. Born into the prominent Aquino family, he graduated as valedictorian from the Ateneo de Manila University in 1999. Aquino served as chairman of the National Youth Commission from 2003 to 2006 under President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. He participated in various documentaries and films and was president of the social enterprise Microventures, Inc. Aquino was elected senator in 2013 under Team Noy, chairing the Committee on Trade, Commerce, and Entrepreneurship, and the Committee on Youth 2013 to 2016, and later the Committee on Science and Technology 2016 to 2019. He was the principal sponsor of the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act. Aquino unsuccessfully sought re-election in 2019 under Otso Diretso, whose entire slate lost. He initially planned another run in 2022, but instead managed Leni Robredo's presidential campaign. Aquino ran again for senator in 2025 under the Kibam coalition. He garnered the second most votes in the election, at around 21 million, and was elected to a second non-consecutive term. Bam Aquino was born on May 7, 1977, in Manila. He is the youngest of three sons of Paul Aquino, one of the co-founders of the Laban ng Demokratikong Pilipino and a native of Concepcion, Tarlac, and Melanie Aguirre of Davao. His grandfather, Benigno Aquino Sr., served as a senator from the 3rd District 1928 to 34 and as the 6th Speaker of the House of Representatives of the Philippines 1943 to 44. His uncle, Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr., was a former senator 1967 to 1972 who was exiled in the United States from 1980 until his assassination upon returning to the Philippines in 1983. Following the 1986 People Power Revolution, Ferdinand Marcos was deposed and Corazon Aquino, Ninoy's widow, became the first female president of the Philippines. His cousin, Benigno Aquino III, was elected the 15th president of the Philippines and served from 2010 to 2016. Nicknamed Bam Bam, Aquino began visiting his uncle Ninoy in prison at a young age and was exposed early to political activism. He gave his first public speech at the age of 6 in a rally in Bigan, Laguna, in December 1983, and later joined his family in attending numerous protest events around the country in the years leading up to the People Power Revolution. Aquino has cited these experiences as formative, shaping his early interest in civic engagement and public service. He attended the Ateneo de Manila grade school from 1983 to 1991 and the Ateneo High School from 1991 to 1995, graduating as valedictorian from both institutions. In the 1980s, Aquino was a mainstay of the New Children's Our television program on ABS-CBN. In school, he was involved in extracurricular activities such as the Cub Scouts, a media club, the Dulong Sibyl Theater Group, and catechism outreach in underprivileged communities. From 1995 to 1999, he completed his Bachelor of Science in Management Engineering at the Ateneo de Manila University, graduating summa cum laude and as class valedictorian. During his university years, he served as president of the Student Council. He later attended the Ateneo de Manila Law School from 2000 to 2001 and completed the Executive Education Program on Public Policy and Leadership at the Harvard Kennedy School in the United States in December 2008. Aquino has often cited the values of nonviolence and democracy as key influences inherited from his uncle Ninoy. Personal life. Aquino married Maria Fatima Timi Gomez on September 15, 2012 in a small wedding ceremony at a chapel in Tagate. The two met in 2004 when Aquino was chair of the National Youth Commission and Gomez was a delegate in the SHIP for Southeast Asian Youth Program. They have 2 daughters. Aquino is a gamer and is a fan of the Warcraft series. Throughout his Senate tenure, Aquino supported the video game industry in the Philippines. He also supported the recognition of Filipino gamers as national athletes, which the Games and Amusements Board eventually did in 2017. In 2015, he delivered the keynote address at the Electronic Sports and Gaming Summit at the SMX Convention Center Manila, an event attended by many video game developers and sports enthusiasts from across the country. He helped the TNC and execration teams obtain U.S. visas to participate in the International 2016 and 2017, both of which were held in Seattle. Aquino helped establish the Filipino Sports Association, PESPA. In May 2023, Aquino established his gaming content platform known as BAM Gaming. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.